How to uninstall Blender? First of all, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Once you are in the Settings window, click on Apps to view all the installed applications on your computer. Now, scroll through the list until you find the Blender. When you see it, click on it and then select the Uninstall button. Next, a small confirmation box will appear. Click on Install again to confirm your decision. Windows will then start the uninstallation process. This may take a few moments depending on your system, so just wait until it's fully removed. Once done, Blender will disappear from the list of installed apps. If you want to make sure everything is completely removed, you can also delete leftover folders. To do this, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box, then type %appdata% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, look for any folder named Blender and delete it. This will remove configuration files and free up some space. And that's it. Now you know how to uninstall Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.